Hello everybody. I'm just going to show you how to change the battery on the NIU M Plus Sport electric scooter. It's basically you got a lock and an unlock and a find locator, but when you press them it's not very bright, isn't the thing, and it's not working very well. So I'm going to change the battery. It's a CR2032 battery, so I've got some new ones down here. Basically you get a flat screwdriver and you put it into the top there and just turn it, which then unlocks the side, and you make sure you got the back up so you can take it off like that. And you got two things in here. You've got the actual control motherboard, whatever you can call it, and the actual things that you press. So you just take this part out here. You can put your little screwdriver, because it comes out on that part there. If you've got nails you can pull it out. I haven't got nails, so I'm just going to push it slightly out. So the battery's got a positive and negative side. Just make sure when you put the new battery in, the positive is up and the negative, that's just down. So then you just push the new one in to location all the way in, and place it back on the pointers. You've got two tags at the top to make sure you're going properly in there. Then you put the back into position like that, making sure you got the sides okay. Press the sides down at the back first, and then press the front in so it clicks all the way down, and there you know it's working now, because you've got a nice bright red LED. So you got a lock, unlock and a find locate button. So it's like an alarm system for your bike, and that's how to change the battery. It's a 3-volt lithium battery, and it's a CR2032. CR2032. Thank you for watching. Just a nice short one there. Cheers. Bye bye now.